Predictive Astrology series starts with this episode, and we start our journey with Laghu Jatakam of Varahamihira. Let us start it with the verses and the Sanskrit interpretation of the verses, and then the meaning of the interpretation in English, and then the gist. For each and every verse, we follow 3 steps. At first, we will pronounce the verse, and then we will interpret the same in Sanskrit, which is followed by the English meaning as well as the gist. So let us start it. यस्योदयास्तसमये सुरमुकुटनिघृष्टचरणकमलोऽपि कुरुतेऽञ्जलिं त्रिनेत्रः स जयति धाम्नां निधिः सूर्यः. यस्योदयास्तसमये सुरमुकुटनिघृष्टचरणकमलोऽपि कुरुतेऽञ्जलिं त्रिनेत्रः स जयति धाम्नां निधिः सूर्यः. यस्योदयास्तसमये, यस्य उदयसमये अस्तमयसमये च, यस्योदयास्तसमये सुरमुकुटनिघृष्टचरणकमलः, सुराणां मुकुटैः निघृष्टः चरणकमलः त्रिनेत्रः अपि अंजलिं कुरुते, सः धाम्नां निधिः सूर्यः जयति. In the time of whose rise and set, Trinetra, whose lotus-like feet eroded by the crowns of the gods, also offers the Anjali. He, the sun, the treasure of all abodes, excels above all. Trinetra is respected by all gods, and Trinetra praise the sun. The sun is the treasure or the source of all abodes. That sun excels above all. It is very clear that the Trinetra who is worshipped by all gods, who is respected by all gods, is also respects the sun. It denotes the key resources. It denotes the energy, and it denotes the place of sun in Vedic thought. So such sun excels above all. होराशास्त्रं वृत्तैर्मया निबद्धं निरीक्ष्य शास्त्राणि यत्तस्याप्यार्याभिः सारमहं संप्रवक्ष्यामि. होराशास्त्रं वृत्तैर्मया निबद्धं निरीक्ष्य शास्त्राणि यत्तस्याप्यार्याभिः सारमहं संप्रवक्ष्यामि. मया शास्त्राणि निरीक्ष्य होराशास्त्रं वृत्तैः निबद्धम् अहं तस्यापि यत् सारम् आर्याभिः संप्रवक्ष्यामि. After thorough observation of works, Hora Shastram has been written by me with different meters. Now I narrate the gist of it in Arya meter. यदुपचितमन्यजन्मनि शुभाशुभं तस्य कर्मणः पंक्तिं व्यञ्जयति शास्त्रमेतत् तमसि द्रव्याणि दीप इव. यदुपचितम् अन्यजन्मनि शुभाशुभं तस्य कर्मणः पंक्तिं व्यञ्जयति शास्त्रमेतत् तमसि द्रव्याणि दीप इव. यत् उपचितम् अन्यजन्मनि शुभाशुभं तस्य कर्मणः पंक्तिं व्यञ्जयति शास्त्रमेतत् तमसि द्रव्याणि दीप इव. तमसि दीपः द्रव्याणि इव एतत् शास्त्रं व्यञ्जयति. Lamp shows things in the darkness. A lamp means light. In the similar way, this Shastra expresses the consequences of accumulated good and bad of other births The message is very clear. This Shastra makes the invisible consequence of deeds of earlier births observable, that is visible. That we can see the invisible consequences of our deeds with the help of this subject, this Shastra. In this episode, we started the work Laghu Jatakam. We started with the first 3 verses, where the first verse is a prayer, praise of the sun for an obstructionless journey. This is called the Mangalacharana for this work, Laghu Jatakam. And then the second one is the objective of the writer, because the writer has already wrote one treatise called Brihad Jatakam. He explained all options, all facets all dimensions of predictive astrology, and he again started a new work that is called the Laghu Jatakam, just to meet out the purpose of layman. And the third one shows the objectives of the subject, what it is intended to do. So let us remember these 3 verses. Let us interpret these 3 verses in Sanskrit, and let us make clear of each and every word written by the Acharya, and let us start this journey with in-depth discussions, and we welcome your comments, your suggestions and your critics also. Thank you. We will meet again in the next episode.